Cambly learners! My name is Amanda, and in this lesson, we are going to talk about seasonal clothing. We will discuss the 4 seasons and talk about what kinds of clothes are best for each one. Are you ready? Let's get started! In North America, the year is divided into 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. Each season has its own special features like temperature and weather conditions. Because of these differences, it's very important that we make appropriate clothing choices so that we can best enjoy each season and be comfortable spending time outdoors. First, let's talk about spring. In spring, the weather starts to get warmer and the flowers start to bloom. We can start to wear lighter clothes during this time. However, there can be a lot of rain, so make sure you remember your umbrella on the rainy days. In the spring, I like to wear a light jacket, jeans, sneakers, and a raincoat. Repeat after me. In the spring, I like to wear a light jacket. Excellent! Now let's move on to summer. Summer is the hottest time of the year, so it's really important that we wear clothes that are light and breathable and keep us cool when spending time outside. In the summer, I feel best when I wear a t-shirt, shorts, sunglasses, and sandals. What do you like to wear when it's hot outside? Share with me or with someone you know. Next, we have fall, also known as autumn. This is a season of change where leaves turn into new colors and the weather becomes cooler. During this season, it's really important to wear many layers when we go outside. Wearing layers means wearing multiple pieces of clothing on top of each other. So if I'm wearing a t-shirt and a sweater, I'm wearing 2 layers. Before heading out, if I put on a coat, how many layers am I wearing now? That's right, 3 layers. In fall, I wear a hat, a scarf, a sweater, and boots. Repeat after me. In the fall, I wear a cozy sweater. Great work! What do you like to wear when the leaves change colors? Lastly, we have winter. Winter is the coldest season. It snows in many places, and we need to wear warm clothes to stay cozy. In winter, we need to bundle up. Bundle up means to wear many layers to stay warm, especially if we want to do fun outdoor activities like build a snowman or go sledding. In the winter, it is best to wear a warm coat, snow boots, gloves or mittens, and snow pants. Repeat after me. In the winter, I wear a warm coat. Great job! What do you like to wear when it's snowing outside? Share with me or tell a friend. Now let's talk about seasons that students in other parts of the world might experience. In some places, there are rainy seasons where it rains a lot. In these seasons, it's really important to wear a raincoat and bring an umbrella with you. Can you think of a season like this in your country? Other places have dry seasons where it doesn't rain at all. During the dry season, It's important to wear light and breathable clothes to stay cool, just like in summer. Also, remember to drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. Great job, everyone! It's so much fun to learn about the different seasons around the world and the best things that we can wear to most enjoy each season. If you'd like to continue learning English with teachers like me, try Cambly Kids today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!